surgery. They still doing the oil pump and the oil pan gasket. And that's a big ass oil pan. Like you still gotta do the fuel filters and the fuel water separator as well. Starter. And the new starter. I'm gonna try Dawson this time. Oh, fuel pan gasket. Oil pan gasket. Use the oil pump. That bitch got. Nah, that's a light. I'm tripping. Wait. Yesterday he called me and said, if you want to sleep in the truck, we'll pull it back out. We'll get started on the fuel pump tomorrow. You know, you won't be out till 2 p.m. But if you get a room, we keep the truck. We can work on it for 4 hours. We'll have you out in the morning by 10 a.m. Well, here it is, 11:44. I went in there and looked. Starter ain't on the truck. Oil pan off the truck. So they ain't did the oil pan gasket. I'm assuming they haven't done the fuel pump yet. It's like, bro, what the fuck do y'all be in there doing? My truck been here since Monday. It's fucking Thursday. That's why I be telling y'all. It's just like I tell my girl, bro. You make it 6, 7, 8,000 on average a week. That ain't your money. Most of that money goes back to your truck. I done lost about $3,200 in revenue plus the bill. So $3,200 in downtime plus the $5,400 to the shop. That's what, 8-9 grand. Well, luckily I got $13,000 just on the side for repairs for situations like this. So you making all this money, not stacking it. Something happened. You got a business, son.